We're back out here at the Round Prairie Interpretive Campsite. We're here to do a little test with our new open road 270-degree awning. We're gonna go ahead and open this thing up for the first time. Just have these zippers here. Go ahead and fold this bad boy back and out of the way. And we got 3 straps, a little storage pouch here that collapses. Hook this. Go ahead and tighten that. Excellent. From there we can pop open the trunk. We're fully covered all the way around here in the back. Well, that's basically the setup. Excellent.